you see the vehicle sales in four-wheelers increased by around 81%. And in two-wheelers it was 6%. Of course, because the two-wheeler the impact was not so much, but still we had an increase. Overall road tax increase, despite the reduction of 50%, was a 7% increase. So, when the GST increase, which is also the major component of your tax collection, increased by 83%. This is based on the invoices which have been submitted by our dealers to our association. So, of course, the returns will come subsequently in January and all. But you have seen a huge increase in the tax collection. So, quite contrary to a lot of reports which you see in the media today that government lost money, it has actually gained money. And let us say that if you had kept the road tax the same, then government's expectation would not have met. So there was a report recently where X amount of crores were collected by the government, and they are saying the same X amount of crores were lost because of the 50% reduction. But that is not true, because this wouldn't have remained that collection at all, because we already had a degrowth and we would have lost a lot of money.
आता सध्याचे हितून गोयचे डिलरा कडेन कितलो BS4 कॅटेगरीचो स्टॉक उरला?
See, BS4 stock, some companies are still producing. Some companies have already stopped BS4 production and they are already supplying BS6.
डिलरा कडेन कितलो स्टॉकान उरला?
प्रत्येक डिलराकडे वेगळो वेगळो आसा. Of course, this has helped us reduce our BS4 stocks. But I would recommend, if government helps us till 31st of March by keeping this reduction on, then we can completely clear this BS4 stock. Because demand is still there for BS4 and we have to still pick up BS4 stock from companies.
Scheme already covered झालेला असा. तुम्ही
Yeah, the Goa Automobile Dealers Association would like to really request the government to increase this scheme till 31st, because you have seen the impact on the automobile industry and it has really revived, and that is why I would like really to thank the government for doing this. So if they can continue it till 31st, then we can really help our financial year and also help the industry to clear out their stocks.
Very important, जो revenue loss जाला ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटा त्याची मुख्यमंत्र्यान चौकशी करची. फायनान्शियल एप्रुवल नासतना 50% रोड टॅक्स कमी करप हे बरोबर न्हय. खंयचेच गव्हर्मेंट फायनान्शियल कंकरन्स घेतल्या शिवाय कॅबिनेटाक फायली हाडना. फर्स्ट टायम इन द हिस्ट्री फायनान्शियल कंकरन्स घेनासतना ही फायल कॅबिनेटाक येयल्ली आसा. हाजो अर्थ थंय खंय तरी उदक उरता अशें दिसता. आणि फक्त जो रेवेन्यू एक्स्ट्रा आयला आमकां 3 म्हयन्यांत तो फक्त 4 कोटी आसा. पूण आमी लक्षांत दवरपाक जाय की 52 कोटी रेवेन्यूचेर आमकां 52 कोटी रुपया परत लॉस जाता.